Hello everyone, and welcome to our new tutorial on AdCreative AI. AdCreative AI, the AI-powered tool revolutionizing the ad creation process for businesses and digital marketers. Go to AdCreative's website. Click on Try for free now. Fill in your details, full name, email, and password. Click Sign Up to get 10 free credits. In the Create Brand section, choose Import from Website. Enter your website's landing page URL. Add your brand's name and description. Upload your brand's logo. Select your brand color. Click Create Brand. Navigate to the AI Generator asset selection for your ad. Click on Generate Ad Creative. Select your ad size for social media, advertising, and displays. Click on Next Step. Add your main headline, punchline, and call to action text. Choose to add a background image for your ad. Either upload your own image or use AdCreative's stock database for background images. If using AdCreative's stock images, you have the option to edit and crop them for better placement. Enter a name for your project. Click Generate. Your ad will be generated in various templates suitable for social media. Download your generated ad using the Download button. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you again.